To lead successfully any change, big or small, it is the complex task. On one hand, on the organizational level in the companies, the change initiative accompanies pretty often a given project with its business measures and stakeholder expectation. On the other hand, any organizational change requires individual change. In other words, to complete desirable objective of the change, the people side of the change should be treated in the professional and trustful way. And here I am. Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management. This is the place where you can find a holistic approach to support you, your team, and your organization with change management topics. Yes! I'm Aldona Blondin, founder and owner of ABCC, and I want to help managers and organizations to go through the change initiative, transition phases, and to reach business objective of the change initiative and maintain high employees engagement. Let me empower your team with holistic and structured approach for change management. This is my workshop signature, change management for team leaders and middle managers. These employees, they are incredibly critical for any success change story. Because on one hand, yes, they have to take care about the emotions toward a given change initiative, sometimes even resistance. On second hand, they have to lead team through this transition phase. And then I should say on the third hand, but I don't have third hand, so I would say finally they have to complete business targets of the company. Many things, many challenges. And now let me to upskill your team leaders and middle managers with their change management competences. My second beloved workshop, Embrace the Change, it is addressed for all contributors in your company and in your team. Change readiness competences is one of the most requested abilities in modern working environment. It is not easy to develop, but it is possible. Let me empower your people with change readiness skills. I'm ready. I'm ready to support you and your team with my energy, with my expertise, and with my experience. Let's have a coffee. Let's have a coffee, 15 minutes coffee online, and discuss about the topic. No charge, no obligation. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.
Yes!